Om. Pushta, she who is always full of vigor, nourishment. Puratana, she who is ancient. Pujya, she who is worthy of worship by all. Pushkara, she who is complete, she who gives nourishment to all. Pushkarekshana, she who has eyes like lotus petals. Paranjyotihi, she who is the supreme light. Parandhama, she who is the supreme abode. Paramanuhu, she who is the subtlest particle. Paratpara, she who is the most supreme of the supreme ones. Pashahasta, she who holds a noose in her hand. Pashahantri, she who destroys the bonds. Paramantra Vibhedini, she who breaks the spell of the evil mantras of the enemies. Murta, she who has forms. Amurta, she who has no definite form. Anityatripta, she who is satisfied even by our perishable offerings. Munimanasa Hamsika, she who is the swan in the Manasa lake of the minds of sages. Satyavrata, she who abides firmly in truth. Satyarupa, she who is truth itself. Sarvandaryamini, she who dwells inside all. Sati, she who is reality, the eternal being. Brahmani, she who is the Brahma Shakti. Brahma, she who is Brahman. Janani, she who is the mother. Bahurupa, she who has multitude of forms. Udharchita, she who is worshipped by the wise. Prasavitri, she who is mother of the universe. Prachanda, she who is full of awe-inspiring wrath. Agnya, she who is divine commandment herself. Pradishta, she who is the foundation. Prakatakritihi, she who is manifested in the form of the universe. Praneshwari, she who lords over the 5 pranas and the senses. Pranadatri, she who is the giver of life. Panjashat Pita Rupini, she who has 50 centers of worship. Vishrunkala, she who is unfettered, free in every way. Viviktasta, she who abides in secluded places. Veeramata, she who is the mother of the valiant. Vyatprasuhu, she who is the mother to the ether. Mukunda, she who gives salvation. Mukti Nilaya, she who is the abode of salvation. Moola Vigraha Rupini, she who is the root form of everything. Bhavagnya, she who is the knower of all thoughts and sentiments. Bhavarogagni, she who eradicates the diseases of the cycle of birth and death. Bhavachakra Pravartini. She who turns the wheel of the cycle of birth and death. Chandas Sara. She who is the essence of all the Vedas. Shastra Sara. She who is the essence of all scriptures. Mantra Sara. She who is the essence of all mantras. Talodari. She who is slender waisted. Udara Kirtihi. She who possesses exalted fame. Uddama Vaibhava. She whose prowess is unlimited. Varna Rupini. She who is in the form of the letters of the alphabets. Janma Mrityu Jaradapta Jana Vishranti Dayini. She who gives peace and repose to those who are afflicted by birth, death, and decrepitude. Sarvopanishad Dudkushta. She who is celebrated by all the Upanishad. Shantyatita Kalatmika. She who transcends the state of peace. Gambhira. She who is unfathomable. Gaganandasta. She who resides in the ether, space. Garvita. She who is proud. Gana Lolupa. She who delights in music. Kalpana Rahita. She who is free from imaginary attributes. Kashta. She who dwells in the highest state, beyond which there is nothing. Akanta. She who ends all sins and sorrows. Kantardha Vigraha. She who is half the body of her husband. Karya Karana Nirmukta. She who is free from the bond of cause and effect. Kamakeli Tarangita. She who is overflowing with pleasure in the union with Kameshwara. Kanat Kanaga Tadanga. She who wears glittering gold ear ornaments. Leela Vigraha Dharini. She who assumes various glorious forms as a sport. Aja. She who has no birth. Kshaya Vinir Mukta. She who is free from decay. Mugdha. She who is captivating in her beauty. Kshipra Prasadini. She who is quickly pleased. Andarmukha Samaradhya. She who is to be worshipped internally, that is mentally. Bahirmukha Sudurlapa. She who is difficult to attain by those who attention is directed outwards. Trayi. She who is the three Vedas. Trivarga Nilaya. She who is the abode of the threefold aims of human life. Trista. She who resides in the three worlds. Tripura Malini. She is the sixth Avarana Devata in Sri Chakra. She is in the form of Tripura Malini. Niramaya. She who is free from diseases of all kinds. Niralamba. She who depends on none. Swatma Rama. She who rejoices in her own self. Sudha Srutihi. She who is the source of nectar. Samsara Panga Nirmagna Samudharana Pandita. She who is skilled in rising those who are immersed in the maya of transmigratory life. Yajnapriya. She who is fond of all sacrifices and other rituals. Yajnakartri. She who is the doer of sacrificial rites. Yajamana Swarupini. She who is in the form of Yajamana, who directs sacrificial rites. Dharmadhara. She who is the support of the code for righteous living. Dhanatyaksha. She who oversees wealth. Dhanadanya Vivardhini. She who increases wealth and harvest. Viprapriya. She who is fond of the learned. Viprarupa. She who is in the form of a knower of the self. Vishwabhramana Karini. She who makes the universe go around through her power of illusion. Vishwagrasa. She who devours the universe. Vitrumaba. She who shines like coral, that is, with her red complexion. Vaishnavi. She who is in the form of Vishnu. Vishnu Rupini. She who is in a form that extends over the whole universe. Ayonihi. She who is without origin. Yoni Nilaya. She who is the seat of all origins. Kudastha. She who remains unchanged like the anvil. Kularupini. She who is the deity of the Kaula path. Veeragoshti Priya. She who is fond of the assembly of warriors. Veera. She who is heroic. Naishkarmya. She who abstains from actions.